Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. Today video is quite important because I'm going to explain to you how can we create dependent drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. So let me show you how. So for example, I have an order selection form that has a two-column item and description. What I want to have a drop-down list here and in the second column as well. So, and I want the second drop-down list should be dependent on this column drop-down list. So how can I do this? So for example, I have item. If anyone select burger here, so the second drop-down list should show all the types of burger. If anyone select juice here, the second drop-down list should show all the types of juice. How can I do this? So first I will select this column and then I'll go to formulas and then create from selection and a small window will pop up. Make sure you tick the top row option, press OK. When you press OK, so it has created the reference in Microsoft Excel. You're gonna do the same stuff with here, select all those options, create from selection and take first option, press OK. And now, so what I show you, what I just did the referencing. If I go to the name manager, it's showing you the all the reference which I did, the item, that's burger, juice, and so all three items which I just selected, and I create from the selection option, so it's showing the all the referencing. So now, first what I will do, first I will create the drop-down list here, select all these column, all these cells here, and then go to data, and then data validation, and then click on the list, and then in the data source, what option I want to see, I want to see these two option, and then press enter, press OK. So now drop-down list has been created. You can see the burger and juice option. So second drop-down list I want to create here. So and it the second drop-down list should depend on the first drop-down list. So what I will do again, select all those cells and then I will go to data validation, select the list from here, and in source I will write is equal to indirect start of bracket the cell reference of this first cell within the item column, which is the B6, close of bracket, press enter. OK. And now you can see the drop-down list has been created. So for example, if I select burger here, the second drop-down list should show the option related to burgers only. So if I select juice here, the second drop-down list should only show the juice related options. So this is how you can create the dependent drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Let's talk about some of the important concerns, some of the important things to keep in mind. So for example, I have the item, there are two items, burger and juice. So those two items, those two words should exactly match with the heading of these two columns. So because I want to create the dependent drop-down list for those items with this column, then those items name should exactly match with the headings of the second drop-down list. So if I have like different spelling for burger, like B-U-R-G-A-R, and here it's a B-U-R-G-E-R, then the dependent drop-down list won't work properly. Another problem is, for example, I have a more options here, like have a apple juice here as well. So when I select and go to the referencing, and then what it will do, it will show the spaces as well. It will show the spaces within the data as well, which you need to consider in mind. Then the solution is just select one by one and create the referencing. This is how you can create the dependent drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Hit the like button if you like this video.